Good morning and welcome back. I'm so happy you are here. We are starting the year. We have a lot of goals, and one of my main goals is to be efficient with my time. I want to be very productive. So today's video is going to be a little bit of that. We are going to get ready for the week, but not only for a normal week. This week that is coming, we're gonna get a winter storm or like a snowstorm here in Houston. That's not common in the South. I'm really excited for it, and because of that, my main goal is to prepare really warm and cozy food, to prepare Milo's food for the week. I always try to make him the food and we combine it with dry food, but his dinner all the time is rice, brown rice, chicken, beef, and sweet potatoes, spinach, some eggshells for calcium, and we try to put some pumps of salmon oil to prepare his food. And we have to prepare him treats because he ran out of them, so we are gonna do that. We're going to prepare also granola because I really want to be prepared in case we lose power, just to have food that we don't need to heat or that is kind of easy to eat. That's what we're gonna be doing. And then tomorrow we are gonna go to yoga. We're gonna do the last things just to get ready for the storm. For the chicken broth, because it's for my dog, the only condiment I will use is going to be turmeric and no salt. So if you're going to prepare this for your dog, do not add salt to his food. And we're just gonna put it on the Instant Pot for 35 minutes. In the meantime, it's granola time. For your granola, I added some chocolate chip cookies and coconut, but you can add anything you have in the pantry and it's gonna taste amazing. At the end, I also add some vanilla to my mix of peanut butter and maple syrup. And then you're just only gonna bake it for 175 degrees for 15 minutes. Then you move the granola and cook it for another 15 minutes. I love using the Instant Pot to make chicken because at the end of the 35 minutes you ended up with some chicken broth, and also, as you can see, the meat gets off the bone so easy. So I really love this method. The chicken broth is for us, for the humans. So in one container I put the chicken broth that I'm going to be using tomorrow for the lentils, and the other one is going to go to the freezer so I can use it in a couple of weeks to make another recipe. So it's really handy. Now it's time to try the granola, and I love to eat my granola with yogurt. And let me tell you, it was amazing. It's been one of my favorite ones, and I think I like it better than the one I buy at the store. For my bone broth, the preparation is basically the same as with chicken. I will just add the bone, some carrots, celery, thyme, salt, pepper, garlic, onion, all the flavors, and I'll put it in my Instant Pot and I will let it sit for 30 minutes and it'll be done. Now I am preparing some butter in my KitchenAid. I basically just put heavy cream and I put it in my mixer and it's going to make butter. And for Milo's treats, I put in one bowl 2 cups of whole flour. I add some applesauce, peanut butter. I honestly don't have measurements for that, but I just try to make it until is this dough, and I just cut that, and that's how I get his treats, and he loves them. For the butter, I also strain all the liquid, and the liquid that we're gonna have left is buttermilk. So we're going to make some waffles tomorrow with that delicious buttermilk. Good morning. As you can see, I just been starting the day in kind of a very, in my head, disorganized way. It's 6 a.m. so we are getting ready for yoga class. We have it at 10 a.m. Usually I like to put my workouts early in the morning, like 7 a.m. or earlier if possible, but I have this class and it's Sunday, so I really wanted to do some yoga, so that's why I chose it. But before class, I really want to finish the food for the week. That means I am going to try to make the lentils and at least chop everything I need for the soup for dinner. Just put my blanket in the washer. I think I might have time to put the rest of the bedding in there, and we're gonna go to Target. We need to find my friend's birthday gift, and also the weather apps and everyone is saying that there is a lot of probabilities that we get snow this week, so I want to just go and look for some comfy pants that I could wear. Let's continue with our morning. Just let Milo go outside And look at this beautiful sunrise. Every morning I love to drink warm lime water. I feel like it really helps my body. So that's what we're gonna do right now. This is very simple. I just add salt and lemon lime, just a few drops, and that's it. And I promise you, the first time with the salt was kind of weird. I just put a little bit, but then later you just get used to it, and now I crave for it. And I like to add the salt, especially in the morning, because it really helps to hydrate my body and give all those minerals that my body needs. First, we are going to put the meat in the pressure cooker for the soup. And right after that, we're gonna start with the lentils. I'm going to stop talking so we can start working fast. We have 1 hour to leave the house, and I need to eat my yogurt. And yeah, so let's start working. The chef Jake. Ratatouille.
Ratatouille.
For waffles. We couldn't resist, so we ate half of it. But it's good. What? We are done making the marshmallows, and look at these. It looks so amazing. So tomorrow what we're going to do is that I'm going to put the caramel on top of it, and then we're gonna cut it with cookie cutters. I'm making the caramel here right now. It's gonna stay here for 3 hours, and then we're gonna let it cool, and tomorrow we're just gonna drizzle. Now it's time to go and help Jake. The garage is a little bit messy, but I have some of the Christmas stuff that I need to put in the attic. I'm just going to label it and put it in Ziploc bags because I know Andy from this Christmas is going to be so thankful. Let's do that. Let's kind of put all the recycling together, and we just leave a space and organize a little bit the garage because it's kind of messy. I stopped filming because by accident I threw my water bottle in the carpet and Milo was having zoomies. It was the end of my night. After that, I took a shower and went to bed. Well, I realized I never made the outro for this video. At the end, I spilled my water bottle. Milo was having his zoomies, so he was all over, and I did that, and my husband came to help me, so I stopped recording. I'm so thankful that you watched this video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.